Well, we had our paper pumpkin night last night, which was so much fun, and we all love this lavender kit, the lovely lavender. This one is made basically straight out of the kit, you know, exactly what they said. The only thing I did different was add a little bit of Winka Stella, see the sparkle on the flowers, and then a couple of these gems, and these are called Purple Fine Shimmer Gems. And here's some of them. So I just love, you know, a little bit of embellishment adds a lot. But that's a beautiful card. And the stamp the envelopes. This love stamps so nicely. So love this kit. And let's see what else I did. I think this one is just like the kit also. I'm trying to see. Yep, I think it's exactly like, except that I've added a few gems. So you can't go wrong with this kit. I love it. Now here, all I did differently was I cut a piece of that Lavender Designer Series paper that goes along with this and went ahead and just stuck it on this card base and then added some of the little things you punched out and a strip across here and gems. But that was really simple to do. And here's my alternate that I can't show you putting it together. I really like it. They had us in the kit, you make a tag. So what I did was I cut a piece of thick basic white paper, and it's cut 4 1/4 by 11, and then folded it, you know, scored down the middle. And this thing here, do you recognize that? That's what, let me see, on the instructions, we have these 4 little purple things that we punch out. I don't know where they are, but I can't find mine right now, but they are like this little piece right there. Okay, so I punched them out, and instead of throwing that away, I've used it as a background frame. So you guys might like to do that. It has a you know, I really like the way it looks. And so I put that down, put a sprig of lavender here and there, and then I popped up my tag with the dimensionals, you know, on the back, you know, those little pop-ups that come with it. And so this is just like in the kit, tied a little bit of that linen thread, and this is the only extra thing is the purple gems and the thick basic white paper. So I hope you like that one. And next month's kit is an Easter one that is supposed to be really nice too. So I hope you all have fun with this. I think some of these images might coordinate with the Easter one, but we'll see when it comes. I'm going to try something new because I've been playing around with this new bundle I got called Hooray for Surprises. And it's really cute. It's great for birthdays or Valentine's or lots of different things. But the neat thing is it has these pull tabs so that you get this little surprise inside, kind of an interactive card. I'm going to use Berry Burst because that's one of the colors that I see in this paper. And my flower, and this is just a white scratch paper, and I'm going to cut it out with the flower from these. They're called Hooray for Surprises. And one thing I'm going to do too is make a little mark so that it's easy for me to match these up all the time. Let me see, was this? It was like this. So I'm making a mark on this one. And on here. And then it'll be easy. I'm going to do something different with this card base. It's just so pretty, and I have a new set I've been playing around with called Hooray for Surprises, and I'm going to make this into a birthday card. Okay, so I've cut out a circle. You can probably see it on the back. And so that I can match up my happy birthday sentiment in there, I'm going to take a piece of basic white cardstock. I'm going to cut a piece out like this and stamp on it. I've set my white cutout piece right over there so that I get my sentiment straight. So I'm doing hope your birthday is wonderful. Okay, the next thing I do, I know I want to turn this over and put it right in the spot there that it goes. And then I need to cover this with something. So I've cut a piece of design series paper from Perennial Lavender, and this designer's paper goes with the paper pumpkin set, which is really fun because you can do so much more with it. I think I'm going to put it like this. So it's going to be, I better figure this out. Okay, here. And this is going to glue like this because that's a top. Okay, so this is neat. I'll have to do something. I'm sure they can see it, but I might do something else. I have a flower right here that I made from that set, and I think I'll just pop it up there with some dimensionals. And gosh, I could put length of Stella. It's hard to stop once you start with this, as you know. You have to be careful because I can tell, I think it's picking up the berry burst color a little bit, and I don't want it to be too blurry. See how in right there, it's turning kind of pink right there. So it depends on the look you want, but I like the sparkle, that's for sure. I'm not even sure if they would notice that there's anything here to pull, so I'm going to stamp open here on a piece of white cardstock and probably cut it out really small. Where should I put it? I don't want to put it in the middle. I'll put it right here. I need a little arrow. Open here. I should have set it over a little bit, but that's all right. Oh, I know what I could do. Doggone it. I'm going to cut it, even though it has glue on it. And it needs, I'm going to do something else. I can't stop myself. I see a flower. There it is. I see a little flower dye. I think I'm going to do something with that. I'm using a tiny dimensional to pop this up. That's cute. Now they can tell what they're doing. I could still add some bling to this, but open this. Let me see. I said, what was the thing? The sentiment. It was, hope your birthday is wonderful. I'll just do sending you lots of love because I have it right here on my desk and I like it. Okay, that's cute. Yeah, it's enough. It's hard to stop. Oh. Yep, I have a couple of girlfriends that the more bling, the better. So they will love this. Isn't that sweet? That's fun. I know that's really out of the box for Paper Pumpkin, but I did want to show off this Hooray for Surprises. So thank you, everybody, for subscribing and for being my customers and for watching today. I really appreciate it. Okay, have a great day. Aloha.